Erythropoietin, or EPO, is a key hormone that regulates red blood cell production, ensuring the body maintains adequate oxygen levels. Let's look at the factors that may increase or decrease its release and therefore red blood cell production. Erythropoietin is primarily released by the kidneys in response to various physiological conditions. Some key factors that influence the release of EPO include low red blood cell count. A reduced red blood cell count leads to lower oxygen levels in the body, which triggers the release of more EPO to stimulate RBC production. Growth hormone. This hormone can increase the production and release of EPO. Exercise. Intense physical activity increases oxygen consumption, leading to a faster depletion of oxygen levels and stimulating EPO release. Altitude. At higher altitudes, oxygen levels in the air are lower, resulting in less oxygen being carried by red blood cells, which in turn stimulates EPO production. Hormones, such as testosterone and estrogen, also play a role in the release of this hormone. Testosterone causes a greater production of EPO, while estrogen inhibits or lowers the level of EPO being released. By responding to changes in oxygen levels and other physiological signals, EPO plays a crucial role in maintaining red blood cell balance. Understanding its regulation helps us appreciate how the body adapts to different conditions like exercise, altitude, and hormonal shifts.